Briwax will last forever so long as it's in a sealed container. If you leave the lid off, the solvent will evaporate out and leave just the hardened wax. This is exactly what happens when you use the wax. The solvent is just there to keep the wax soft so that you can rub it into the finish, and the solvent evaporates out, leaving the hardened wax in the pores of the wood. It just happens a lot slower when it's piled up in a can.
It still has a bit of use. You can break off a chunk of it. Yeah, you could use it as a wax stick.
I've heard some old timers call this hardened, dried up wax cake stuffing, and it's just used as a filler. You could heat this stuff up, melt it, pour a bit of solvent in it, and it'd go right back to what it was, because there's no chemical change. It's just the solvent evaporates out, it's just a hardened wax, and this is the hardened wax, just in a big chunk of it.
You can break it up into pieces and just store it in the same can and chuck it in your toolbox. And if you need to fill a nail hole or cover a scratch, scuff or something like that, that'll come in handy.
If you're in the business of delivering or moving furniture, a little wax stick like this sure could save you bacon, cover some minor transgressions if you have any mishaps in the truck.